Hoy tenemos atol.
We are drinking a drink called atol. It's a local drink, sweet, with corn.
Corn, maíz?
No?
Arroz.
Arroz with
Se
rice.
llama arroz con leche.
Oh, it's
Okay.
rice with
Tiene
milk. Arroz con leche.
And I have cinnamon in mine.
Wow.
Okay, and it's hot. Try it, Kevin. Oh, it's got stuff to chew.
Es como un poquito como tapioca.
Oh, okay.
Es dulce y arroz. Mucho gusta.
Oh, okay.
Me gusta.
Te gustas. All right, here are the ingredients. And canela, is cinnamon. This is a cloth that you use to cover up your tortillas. Y ¿cuál es servilleta? Servilleta.
Like napkin.
Yes.
In auf Deutsch Serviette. In Alemán, lo mismo.
And
Almost.
so these are made by hand and they're Mayan.
Wow. Otro de haba, el último de arroz. Y cuando vuelve la boca dulce, me besa y me dice, Cari.
I'm learning to make pepian de pollo. It's very Guatemalan. We've got sesame seeds and garlic and pumpkin seeds. And the black stuff is roasted peppers. Here we've got onion and roasted tomatoes and 2 kinds of peppers. So we'll see. We're gonna put the roasted peppers in here with the chicken. This is the most Guatemalan food. We removed the seeds from all of the different peppers, blended them in the blender along with the sesame seeds, garlic, and onion, added that puree into the pot with the chicken, and then she cooked along with that potatoes, some green beans, and huisquil, which is, in English, it's called chayote. It's a kind of vegetable that takes on the flavor of whatever dish you're cooking. And it was served over rice in clay pots. It was quite good. I liked it. My favorite meal so far has been jocon, which is, again, a chicken dish. The sauce is made with tomatillas, cilantro, mint, and jalapenos and green onions. Delicious, served over rice. We also have had something like beef stew, also served with huisquil. There's huisquil in everything, and it's very common to serve soup every day. For a snack, we've had taquitos with, again, a kind of pepper sauce and cheese. There's dried beef inside them. And my favorite snack has been these dried mixture of bananas, plantains, yucca, and different roots. I'm not even sure what. We also cook our own food here, or sometimes we just get cereal or bread or make a sandwich. And we're enjoying doing a mixture of cooking our own food and eating Guatemalan food.